Okay, good morning, you guys. So as you guys know, we're literally like renovating our house out and things of that sort. And so we've already gotten our kitchen done, but we have just some minor things to take care of in the kitchen, just very minor things. But we're supposed to be getting this floor done here, which is the hallway floor. We're gonna take care of that later. But today was the day that we're working on our bathroom, the main bathroom in the hallway, which is for guests and my kids. Let me show y'all the before. And y'all know with contractors, sometimes it's always something. The first time it was smooth, but then like a hammer broke and he was supposed to fix that tile, he never did. But anyways, we're not even to keep my mind leveled and positive and good, y'all. Okay, so this is the before, right? So we're supposed to get the flooring done. This is how it's looking, y'all. This house is old. It was literally built the same year I was born. I mean, yeah, the year I was born into. So this is the bathroom. This is how it's looking. Anyways, we're gonna take this cabinet out. This mirror I want to keep, but we're gonna do some things over here that's different. We really want to take the cabinet out so we can do the flooring all the way. So we can do the flooring all the way to the wall. This bathroom has been a nuisance. We have been, y'all, I gotta use this soap off my face. We have been trying our best, like recaulking everything, and this mold stuff still comes back. You see how dated everything is, like except for the shower head. Like, it has been a nuisance working with this bathroom. So disgusted. I'm so tired of it. So today was the day. Today's the day that we're supposed to get all of this taken care of, along with this disgusting toilet. I hate it very much. I hate it. So anyways, oh, I need to move the mirror actually. But yeah, so this is the before, and they're literally gonna work on the flooring and this side. I told them to wait. Oh wait. This wall I'm going to probably get replastered or retextured, or however they call it. This wall here, retextured. Y'all had brought these things, and look, our ventilation system doesn't work. It sucks. Listen to this. I'm scared the hell out of you. So anyways, yeah. So basically from here over is where they're gonna work. We're gonna keep this like it is for now, just for now, and get this part done, and then we're gonna work our way over here. But I'm excited, but yeah, just wanted to show y'all before. We already brought some stuff, I'll show y'all there too, in the garage. Okay y'all, so we brought a toilet. The tub was supposed to be included in this, and so when this guy get here, because he's saying that the tub that he had that he's gonna put in our bathroom is no good. So the price changed for me, because that's the only reason I agreed to the price. So this is the flooring that's going into the bathroom. This is the flooring, really, really pretty. It's like a matte flooring. This is going on the walls. This right here is glossy. And we got this like a bidet thing, dual spray option, you know, the handles which are black and like this goldish color. It matches this basically. So yeah, that's gonna be the stuff. We were supposed to buy the supplies. We was gonna, you know, we pay for labor work, but we literally have to buy everything, even the tub, because yeah. My God, y'all. So the workers just left for a second to go get the tub. This is what everything is looking like. Oh, they should have got this before. Yes. Anyways, this is what everything is looking like. Look at that. See? They go have to clean it. Wow. Look at this. It looks so much smaller than I said the mirror. before they come back in here. That's what everything look like right now. We're about to get that sealed up. And we get back out of here. But yeah, we're about to get that sealed up. And I think I'm gonna put a long, cute little wall mirror over there. Home Depot. Who is that? My hubby. He's taking these nasty popcorn ceilings off.
Are you vlogging and recording?
I'm recording now, babe.
You ain't asked for permission.
Daddy, do I have permission to?
Yes, you do, Mom.
Okay.
I made you ask me that dumbass question, didn't I?
Crazy, y'all. Gotta love him. I love my man.
I love my woman. She's beautiful, too.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh my God. There's boy, don't be sneaking up on me like that. All I heard was, yeah, you right.
Say it again, man.
Sorry, y'all. Can't keep the camera right. Wait to come sit my ass in this tub.
Oh, no, this ain't for you. Your tub, their sister.
Y'all hear me? Can't
No,
wait to sit
sister.
my behind in.
You guys can find y'all.
So this is what the tub look like. Scoot over. This is what the tub looks like, y'all, for now. They're basically just putting it in. They was doing some plumbing situation earlier. A lot of beating. But
Is this right here plastic over this? Yeah, it's plastic.
but yeah. That's what we're looking like. Y'all, getting my walk in at the track. See, it's amazing to walk. Just to walk in general. I got my vets on, my arm trimmers, all that good stuff. My Cois Couture hat, shades. I'm about to call it though, because I got to go home and do the weight part of it. So, RDLs and all that good stuff. Thanks to Keisha Collins. She's a YouTuber, y'all. She's really good. But yeah. So you guys know it's morning, day 4. I have to get my coffee in, and let me just say, I could have had a Keurig machine, but I think for me, it's the smell, the aroma of coffee, y'all. Oh, don't you just love the old school way? Just the smell of coffee in the morning throughout your home. For me, it just nails it every time. Anyways, the construction renovation is going really good with the bathroom, and I am about to show you guys in the next clip. I just so excited about this bathroom because it's been years And I've been wanting to get this bathroom remodeled and taken care of. So I'm just excited about the transformation that it's going through, y'all. Oh, I mean, I'm loving it. The only part that I think that I'm gonna probably have issues with is a new countertop. But I'll keep you guys posted about the countertop and like our ideas on what we want to do. But yeah, so I'll just keep you guys posted on that. But for the most part, here's the day 4 reveal. See, you guys, it's coming along. So they have added the towel. I love it. Built in a back wall area, basically, where we can put our shampoo and things of that sort in there. They've I think it's called textured the walls and the ceiling, which is pretty awesome. Added the tub. So I'm super excited about it. Woo, y'all, my hair. That wind was really blowing like crazy. Anyways, I went inside of Lowe's and grabbed 2 light fixtures and 2 electrical things to put into the drywall. I would have vlogged, but my hubby wanted to stay on the phone with me because, you know, he wanted to make sure I was getting the right thing, and he wanted some say so into picking the light fixtures as well. I was like, boy. Anyways, home I go.
The wall took up a lot of time.
You guys, this is the one that we're going to put up in our bathroom. So nice. And then that's how it looks. You got it? Mm-hmm.
Excuses. I got it.
This thing is heavy. This is 1 piece. It's 2 pieces. So, and then grab this for that. But we got a bigger one. The big one is probably going to go over the mirror.
Over the sink.
Over the sink. And then we got the smaller one that's going to go over the mirror. It's really pretty. It's by Allen and Roth brand. It's so really nice. Like,